Hello and namaste everyone. My name is Sandhya Balakrishnan and welcome to Yoga and You. This is another episode in our series which is Yoga for Working Professionals. We all intuitively understand that a well-balanced and nutritious diet is crucial for our overall health and well-being. Ancient yogic texts also talk about the concept of mitahara, which means eating fresh, wholesome and sattvic foods in moderation and with mindfulness so that we can increase the energy and create balance and harmony in our body and mind. So how do we incorporate healthy eating habits into our otherwise modern, busy and hectic lifestyles? Well, here are 5 easy diet hacks just for you. Number 1. Plan your meals in advance. Meal prep is a great idea to encourage us to cook more often instead of ordering in or eating junk food. Number 2. Do not go for second servings. This is a great technique to help us keep track of our portions and to avoid overeating. Number 3. Keep all your mobile phones and screens and gadgets away during meal times. This will help us to appreciate our food much better and to eat more mindfully, thus aiding in better nutrient absorption and digestion. Number 4. Keep healthy snacks easily available at home and in your office. This will ensure that you avoid the temptation to eat junk food during those mid-morning or late afternoon hunger pangs. And number 5. Make sure to have your last meal of the day between 7 to 8 p.m. This will allow for adequate time for digestion before you go to bed and will also help with weight management in the long term. In this episode, we will look at a few beautiful yoga asanas which aid in digestion and help us to absorb our food and the nutrients in it much better. Let's start with the first posture, which is known as Vajrasana. In order to sit in Vajrasana, make sure that you are first sitting on your knees like this. Try to keep your knees together. Keep your feet together as well. Now slowly lower yourself down onto your heels, making sure that your buttocks are in contact with your heels. Now if that is difficult for you, you could always place a cushion or some kind of a support under your thighs. Once you have come down to this position, keep your back straight. Place your palms lightly over your knees and relax and breathe for a few moments. Vajrasana is one of those few yoga postures which are allowed to be done immediately after your meals. This is a great asana for your digestion and also for your overall blood circulation. So make sure to practice this a few times every day. Let's move on to the next posture, which is known as Vakrasana. For this, start by sitting in an L-sit position like this, also known as Dandasana. Keep your feet together, keep your back straight, palms by your side. Now, slowly bend your right leg. Place your right hand behind you like this. Bring your left hand and place your left elbow outside of the right knee like so. Place your hands in a Chinna Mudra like this and take a deep breath in. Exhale, look behind you, twist your torso and hold this posture for a few breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly look ahead, bring your left hand down, bring the right hand forward, straighten the leg, and now we'll repeat this on the other side. So bend your left leg, place your left arm behind you, take your right hand, bring your right elbow outside of the left knee, place your hand in a Chinna Mudra and take a deep breath in here and exhale, look behind you. Hold this posture for a few breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly look straight ahead. Bring your right hand down. Bring your left hand by your side. Straighten your leg. Relax. Now we'll move on to the next posture, which is known as Ardha Pavan Muktasana. For this, lie down on your back. Place your feet together, arms by your side. Now bend your right leg. Bring the right foot above the ground. Interlock your fingers around the right knee and pull your right knee close to your chest. Now you also have an option to raise your head and try to touch your forehead or your nose tip to the knee. However, if this causes discomfort to your neck, feel free to place your head down and relax in this posture while pulling the right knee close to your chest. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release the grip. Straighten your right leg. Let's repeat this with the other leg. Bend your left leg. Lift the left foot off the ground. Interlock your fingers around the left knee. Pull the left knee close to the chest. Make sure that the other leg is firmly grounded on the mat. And stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release the grip, straighten your leg and relax. Let's move on to the next posture, which is a supine spinal twist, also known as Jathara Parivartanasana. For this, bend your legs, keep your knees together. Make sure your feet are close to the buttocks. Place your arms by your sides. Now slowly take both your knees towards the right side. Turn your head towards the left side. Make sure both your shoulders are firmly grounded on the mat. And come back to the center. Repeat on the other side. Take both your knees to the left. Bring your head towards the right. Both your shoulders on the mat. And come back to the center. One more time. Knees to the right. Head to the left and back to the center, and one last time, knees to the left, head to the right and back to the center. Straighten your legs, bring your arms by your side and relax. Let's move on to the next posture, which is known as Malasana or a deep squat. For this, make sure your feet are slightly wider than hip width. Now, place your palms in a namaste in front of your chest. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lower your hips down as far as you can without lifting your heels off the mat. And once you are down here, press in to your thighs with your elbows, keeping the back straight, and hold this posture for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back up and bring your hands down, shake your legs, shake your hands, relax. You can repeat this posture a few times as far as your comfort goes. Thank you so much for joining me on this series called Yoga for Working Professionals. I hope you enjoyed all the episodes in this series. Make sure to check out the other episodes as well. The links are attached here in the video. I will see you soon with some great content like this very soon. Till then, take care, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye-bye.